Hello everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. If you want to transfer your Roblox account from your phone to your laptop without entering your password, this is the easiest method. We will use the Quick Sign In feature. First, take your phone where your Roblox account is already logged in. Open the Roblox app. Make sure you are inside your account. Now tap on More at the bottom right corner. Scroll down until you find Quick Sign In. Tap on it. You will now see a screen asking you to enter a one-time code. Leave this screen open and do not close the app. Now move to your laptop. Open your browser and go to www.roblox.com. Click on Login at the top right corner. Instead of typing your username and password, click on Quick Login. A one-time code will appear on your laptop screen. Now go back to your phone. Enter the code exactly as shown on the laptop. Tap on Confirm. Within seconds, your Roblox account will automatically open on your laptop. All your progress, friends, items, and Robux will stay the same because everything is saved on Roblox servers. This method is safe and much faster than typing your password. That is how you transfer your Roblox account from phone to laptop using Quick Sign In. If this video helped you, like the video. Subscribe to Guide Pro for more real Roblox tutorials and fixes.